In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute channels on WhatsApp Web, a handy feature to help manage your notifications and keep distractions at bay while using your computer. Muting a channel can be especially useful if you're part of several chat groups that are constantly buzzing with activity and you need some peace and quiet to focus on your work or personal time. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web on your browser. This should already be synced with your WhatsApp account on your phone. Simply open any web browser, navigate to web.whatsapp.com, and scan the QR code with your phone's WhatsApp app if you haven't linked your device yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats displayed neatly in the left sidebar. Let's turn our attention to the channel you wish to mute. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of conversations. Look through these until you find the channel you're thinking about. Simply click on it, and it will open the chat in the main area of the screen. Now, you'll see the channel's conversation history, and above this, the channel's name is prominently displayed. Clicking on the channel's name will open up the chat information pane. This section gives you more details about the chat, such as the media shared in the conversation, participants' details, or even custom notification settings, which is our area of interest today. In the chat information pane, you should easily spot an option labeled Notifications. Clicking on this will reveal a series of options related to muting the channel. Here, you'll find the key to silencing those constant beeps and buzzes. Within the notification settings, you should see an option to toggle on the mute function. This might be presented with a simple switch or checkbox. By turning this on, the channel's notifications will be muted for the specified duration. Typically, WhatsApp offers several durations for muting a chat, like 8 hours, 1 week, or even indefinitely. Choose whatever suits you best and enjoy a quieter browsing experience on your web WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully muted a channel on WhatsApp Web. This will prevent notifications from interrupting your workflow, but you can still check the channel at any time to catch up on the latest messages. Remember, muting is a reversible action, and you can always go back and toggle off the mute option whenever you want to start receiving notifications again. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you're now better equipped to manage your WhatsApp Web notifications. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to come back if you need guidance on other tech tips and tricks. Until next time,